Hey, there you have a brilliant idea for a new app. You've sketched out the design, written the code, and are ready to launch. But where do you get the initial funding to turn your vision into reality? Hook. That's where platforms like Relay come in. But here's a question that many people have. Can I deposit cash into my Relay account? Building context. Before we dive into the answer, let's understand what Relay is. It's a crowdfunding platform that allows entrepreneurs to raise funds from a global community of investors. Think of it as a modern-day Kickstarter, but with a focus on technology and innovation. The main question. Now, back to the question, can you deposit cash directly into your Relay account? The short answer is no. Explanation. Relay is primarily designed to facilitate digital transactions. This means that the platform is optimized for electronic fund transfers, credit card payments, and other digital methods. While it's convenient for both investors and entrepreneurs, it does limit the options for cash deposits. Alternative methods. So, if you can't deposit cash directly, how do you fund your Relay account? Here are a few alternative methods. Bank transfer. This is the most common method. You can transfer funds from your bank account to your Relay account using the platform's provided banking details. Credit card. If you have a credit card, you can use it to make a payment on Relay. This is a quick and easy option, but be mindful of the fees and interest rates associated with credit card usage. Digital wallets. Platforms like PayPal, Venmo, or Apple Pay can be used to transfer funds to your Relay account. This is a convenient option for those who prefer digital wallets. Security and safety. One of the biggest concerns for many people when using online platforms is security. Relay takes security very seriously. They employ advanced encryption and fraud prevention measures to protect your funds and personal information. However, it's always a good idea to be cautious and avoid sharing sensitive information with anyone other than authorized Relay representatives. The benefits of Relay. While the inability to deposit cash might be a slight inconvenience for some, the benefits of using Relay far outweigh the drawbacks. Here are a few reasons why Relay is a popular choice for entrepreneurs and investors. Global reach. Relay has a global community of investors, which means you can reach potential funders from all corners of the world. Transparency. The platform is designed to be transparent, with clear information about project details, funding goals, and investor returns. Community support. Relay fosters a community of entrepreneurs and investors who can provide support, advice, and feedback. Efficiency. The digital nature of the platform makes it efficient and easy to use. Conclusion. So, while you can't deposit cash directly into your Relay account, there are several convenient and secure alternative methods available. If you're an entrepreneur looking to raise funds for your innovative project, Relay is a platform worth considering. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Relay or exploring other crowdfunding options, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. End. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.